Okay, so this is we'll be going into composition of functions. Alright, so to compose a function is a very simple arithmetic, okay, but you need to know the order of operation under composition of function, okay. So like I said, we'll just go through simple example. So before we go to the one that have values, those ones are very easy to work on, okay. We want to look at this very example. Example 2.10. Say if f of x is x squared minus 1 and g of x is 3x plus 4, find f of g and g of f. Now the order is very simple. Once you know the order where to start, then you'll be able to get the result done. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Now we have g of f. Okay, now g of f, like from what they say, it means f of g, meaning you have to put g inside f. So when we say f of x, when we say f of 3, okay, it means put 3 inside f, inside the function f. So since we are having f of g, so it means we are going to put g inside what? F. That means this function g will be treated as an entity. So you put it inside what? Inside f. So anywhere you see f, you put, anywhere you see x in that f, you replace it with that g. That is as simple as that. So we move from the right hand side to the left hand side. So from right to left, that's what we do. That's just what you need to know under composition. No matter, irrespective of the type of function that you have, you understand, you just have to know how to work on that very kind of function. But basically, this is how to work on composition of function. So you can see it there. So you see what they did here. The g now is 3x plus 4. So anywhere they now see x, which is x squared minus 1, they now replace with the word 3x plus 4 squared. Then when you open bracket, you now have this a minus 1, you get this. You see that? Then to also do g of f means you carry your f squared minus 1 and replace here. Anyway, you see the x here. So you can see it here down here. You see? So anywhere you see x, okay, in a g, you put your f, meaning your f is the whole of x squared minus 1. You put it down there, then open bracket, and then you get this. Okay, so that is as simple as that. Okay, so I've just said more example here. So I say more example we have it. So we are given that f of x is tan x, g of x is x squared plus 2x plus 5, h of x is root x. Find g of f. Find g of f. So g of f means we have to carry f into g. So we start from front to the right to the back. Okay, we move from right to the back to the left. Okay, so anywhere you see x in g, put your f. Your f is tan x. So down here we are going to have tan square x, then plus 2 tan x plus 5. Okay, that is our g of f. That is our g of f. Then we have f of f. Okay, we have f of f. F of f means put f into f. That is sometimes confusing, as if it's square. It's not a square. So it means tan, replace it with x, replace x with tan x, then tan into tan x. This is the answer. This is not equal to tan x square, as some persons might think. It's not equal to that. So take note, it's a different operation entirely. Okay, then we also have number 2, h of f. H of f means put f into h. Put f into h. So you move from the back to the, from front to the back, from right to left. Okay, put f into h, and our f is this, and this is our h. So I'm going to have square root of tan x, our f inside h. Then f of h means put h inside f. So put h here inside f. So we now have tan. In place of x, we put square root of what? X. Then we also have the last one, f of g. F of g means put g inside f. Put g inside f. Put g, carry g, put inside f, from the right to the left. So we have tan into our g is x squared plus 2x plus 5. Okay, so you can see that composition of function is done on that area. So next I want to go into, before the next 10 minutes, I want to go into the next 5 minutes, I want to go into inverse of a function. But lest I forget, in case you are given a value, you may not actually need to go through those processes. So you can see there here, in case you are given a value f of g of 3. Okay, so just put the g in the 3, Then whatever answer you have, you put it inside the F. That's exactly what they did there. Put the G in the 3, the 3 in the G, because they say F of G. So put in the 3. Remember, we normally evaluate G first before the F. So put G, put 3 inside G. Then the answer you have, you now put it inside what? Inside F. So the same thing here also you have here. The same thing also we have here. So you are going to put the 3 inside the F. Okay, inside the F. The answer you have, you put it inside the G, because the F come before the G. Normally G, F enter inside G. Okay, like in this case here, G enter inside F. The one in front will enter to the one at the back. So if you are giving value, you don't need to start doing the work first. Just put the value straight. But if you actually want to do the work before putting the value, it's left for you. So that's it. So anything on composition of function, please supposed to smash that area.